Hi guys, so today I got a delivery from, actually I didn't get it today, I got it Saturday, but I just didn't have time to record. The Autoship for the wraparound dies from Crafter's Companion, and I did a review of the accessory set that came in the last Autoship, and it wasn't my cup of tea, and I returned it. But this one, I think said, what did this one say? Gifts. And I'm like, well, that might be cute. So I let it come in, because if I don't like it, I'll return it. Or if it's hard to use, I'll return it. It's not a big deal. So these are from HSN. And actually, I think they want $17.95 in the Autoship. Initially, it was a really good price, but you got 3 of them. So now you get 2 of them for $17.95 plus $3.50 shipping. And tax for me is $1.39. So it's $22.84. So, you know, basically about $11 each. Okay, so we're gonna try these out, and maybe I'll try out the bow one because that's really cute, and it has little dots that cut out. This one has these other strips, and I am going to measure in centimeters. If you guys recall, it tells you it's for an A2 gatefold card, which is great, but it tells you here to cut a strip of card that's 284 millimeters by 57 millimeters. So I am going to use a ruler that has centimeters on it to measure that out, and then I'll tell you what that is. Well, I'll try to tell you what that is in inches. Again, sometimes the math is a little bit funny, so it's a little bit off. So I feel like we almost have to do it in centimeters, but that's what I have there. I did also want to show you guys that I did pick up the cutting pads for the Sidekick, Sizzix Sidekick that I showed you guys in the review video talking about all the machines that I have. And so I did get the green cutting mat. They were only like $3, I think, on Amazon. I'm sure you can find them, yeah, at the regular craft stores. I just didn't want to leave my house, so I ordered them on Amazon. And this, I think, is a kit that also has more of the, I don't remember. I ordered 2 things. This was like $11, but it came with some of the sticky paper, which I have never bought, so I was like, well, I'll try it out. So it came with the adhesive sheets, permanent adhesive sheets, and it has the embossing pad, which is super cute. I think it's so cute. And then it came with more cutting pads. So that's all I'm going to need probably forever. So I'm never going to buy any more because I don't use it that often. But I did want to have the stuff for it in case they discontinue it, like the Cuttlebug, which obviously is a different brand. One last thing I want to show you before I get to that is I also ordered, I got an email from Diamond Press that they had a new, wait, is this not, oh, you know what? This isn't it. Where is that? I got to go find it. This is something else. Oh, darn it. I think I got it delivered, but I don't know where it is. I'll have to look around here. I ordered Diamond Press's new Christmas gift tags kit, so maybe it didn't come in. I thought I got it delivered though. And it's only on their website right now. Sorry, I'm still dealing with my cold. Oh my gosh, I get like a dry spot in my throat. These are the things I got for free because I had taken a server when I watched a little video on their new Diamond Press, and then there was this little sweepstakes or giveaway. But I told you guys they selected my name before they even closed the giveaway, so maybe they gave it to everybody. I don't know. All I know is they sent me a message saying I won their $20 gift card, and so I got this for free. Free shipping and everything. So it's just a little set of nesting sentiment dies. Thanks so much. Hip hip hooray. You can cut these out just into paper. You can cut it out. You can put it inside this little border so it cuts out like a cute little strip, and it's basically nice for like a standard A2 size card. So, and it also comes with the folders to cut with are in there. So got that for free. But I did get their Christmas gift tag shaker, Christmas shaker gift tags, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it, which I thought were super cute. So I thought I got them delivered. If they get delivered, or if I already got them, I'm gonna make a video on it. So even if I don't show it to you here, I'll definitely show them to you. So I'm gonna open this up. Like I said, I like to open it so I can put this back inside. That was really close to the top. I don't know if it actually opened. There we go. And I'm gonna cut a strip of paper, exactly what it says here, and I don't know that I'm gonna make a card. Maybe I have something already here that I can wrap it around. Last time I just made a little basic card so we can try it out. But I'm gonna open up my window so it gets a little brighter in here, and then I'm going to measure out the piece of paper, and I'll tell you guys what it measures out to. Basically, all you're gonna do is when you cut your strip of paper, you always pay attention. So like this one says, again, 284 millimeters by 57 millimeters. But this one, the gift one, says 269 by 42. So if you guys have the Autoship, this is what you'll be getting. I didn't really close up on it. It's like a little gift, which is cute for, you know, any kind of occasion there's gifts. And then the little bow, I think that's really sweet. The next one's called Dragonfly. That's why I'm like, I love dragonflies. I'm sure it has a butterfly one or something else that goes with it. I don't know. So I'm definitely going to get that auto ship, but okay, let me cut the paper and we will try it out. Okay guys, so let me put this here. I cut my little strip. It's just smaller than 12 inches by, and I'll tell you how I did it. By 2 and 3/8. So like 2 3/8 inches wide, if you want to do inches, 2 3/8 inches wide, and 11 and 11 and just shy, a little bit bigger than 11 3/8. Okay, just a little bigger than 11 3/8. So the way I cut this is just some paper I had here. Is I actually just brought out this guy. Now this guy does have centimeters on here. So centimeters are by tens, right, of millimeters. So we have 11, 12, 113. So you can say 110, 120, 130, right? Because centimeters, millimeters are, there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. So you can use this. This is my Fiskars cutter to help you out with that if you don't want. With the 50 part or the 50, whatever it was, what I did was I took my ruler and I went to 55, well, I don't want to confuse you guys. So what was it, 55? 57. So I went to 50, which is 5, right? It's 50. And then I counted 7 little ticks. And that's where I set up my paper to cut. And I trimmed it off. And then I did the long side. But I already gave you the numbers in inches. And hopefully that works out for you guys. I just want to double check something. I went 57, not 55. We'll see. It looks like more like 56. The width doesn't really matter because whatever doesn't cut, you're just going to remove it, right? But you do want it to kind of help you gauge how to line it up. So I'm using my Anna Griffin extended cutting plates because they're easy to grab and they're here. You are going to have some kind of extended cutting plate because obviously it's kind of long. Even if you're using a Cuddlebutt, whatever you have with extended plates is great. I do have the cutting plate. I have the magnetic shim, yes, the magnetic mat and the metal shim is what I was trying to say. Let me push this over. And I guess I'm going to cut into this even though I don't like doing that. You guys already know I don't like doing that, but the reason I'm doing that is so I can show you where you want to place this. So we're just going to take our little guys. Let me back up a little bit. Hopefully I don't show too much of my tripod. Okay. And you're just going to place these guys opposite each other. I already showed you how to do this. Oop. Stuck right down. Let me get this off of here. Okay. So if you want to tape your paper just so you know that it's nice and straight, go ahead. We're going to take one edge with the blade facing down at the very end of your paper. So you just want this to go to the very end. And that's how you're going to know that they are spaced as far apart as you need them. And just, these things are really magnetic. That's one thing. When I did my review, I didn't mention this one is really, really great. The Anna Griffin magnet works really well. The Crafter's Companion was a little weaker, but you can tell by the quality of the mat. It's just not as thick, and what's it going to do? On this side, again, you're going to go all the way to the edge of your paper. And again, try to keep it straight, lined up in between the width of your mat. So that's what I'm saying. The width of this doesn't matter because you're going to cut it away, but if you want to make sure that everything's lined up and you're good to go, it's better to have your paper the size that they say. So I'm just trying to make sure it's straight. I think that's pretty good. Okay. And then my other A plate, and let me turn this on, I'll run it through. I have been like living on cough drops, you guys. So bad. Okay. This is stuck on here. Now let's run it through right quick and see what happens. I was trying to look around and see if I have like a 5x or a regular standard card sitting around here. I must, because I've been doing so many reviews. I'll find one. Bummer, it's moved a little bit. If you wanted to do any kind of rubber embossing, like to run it through again to get a deeper emboss, of course you can do that too. I'm just going to move on. Everything cut out pretty well. So on this part you have to remove these extra pieces here, right? Because obviously everything cut out. But you need this to be a strip. You can do it with an X-Acto knife and a ruler, or you can just get your scissors and eyeball it, which is what I will do right now. And just cut away some of this extra. Oh no, it cut through the whole paper. Wow. I'm gonna have to tape this back. I'm telling you, I have the worst luck with this stuff. I'm gonna have to tape this one down just so we can see what it would look like. But it sure cut through the whole thing, so maybe next time don't use the metal shim. So you're going to try to cut straight across to where that ends there. Oh, what a bummer. Totally just fell off. Funny. Alright, let me do that. I'm going to tape this back down and clear out some of this area, and then we will see if it works. Okay, so I found a card, but we'll see. So this is also supposed to cut out this little strip right here. Oh gosh, focus. Please focus. Come on. There we go. See this little strip? It's really holding on to the outer side, so I thought maybe it's supposed to only emboss, but no, on all of it, look, I can kind of put my finger in there. So this little piece is supposed to cut out on all of it, and it did not. So too much pressure that it ripped through the paper, but not enough that it cut those pieces out. So they are supposed to be out though, just so you know. I'm just gonna turn this over and lay it down. And basically, well, I'm gonna take this card, even though it has the little flowers on the side, I'm gonna lay it this way so we can kind of have an idea. And I would prefer to do it this way, just so you know what you're kind of doing. Let me move this down because there's like something in the way there. But they should have lines that help you fold it. What's the word? Score marks. But we'll see. Hopefully that's not too big. That seems really big to me. Where's the, okay. So this one, and the way you slide it is like, see how this is cut at the top, this one's cut at the bottom, and you're gonna hook them together. This part's always so scary because I feel like this is where things get ripped up. But, oh, look what happens when you measure right. This is adorable. That last one with the shoes was just like a nightmare. It was barely like this little high heel piece that you had to hook into the other. It did not work out for me, and I, like I said, returned it. But this is really cute. Now, I might have to get my sandwich done a little better so I don't cut through. And also, I noticed this paper, remember when I did the Anna Griffin card just the other day for you guys, I think Saturday, whenever I put this out. This paper happened to rip like really easily, and you might have seen that more on the embossing here. So this paper did tear, but maybe it's the paper. And again, like I said, this is, I mean, I don't know when I bought this, probably, well, this is the Solstice stack, to be honest. I thought it was still the Hobby Lobby, but this is old paper. Like a lot of these stacks I have, I bought them so long ago that, I don't know, you know, maybe it's just kind of old, weak, right? Paper gets a little bit old. But this is really cute. Look the way it even stands. I love that. So cute. So this is a winner. Like I said, I was going to keep it anyway just because I like the designs, but that works out. So make sure you have your measurements. I gave them to you in inches. But if you just, I mean, this came from the Dollar Tree, and this ruler worked just fine with the centimeters on the one side. So again, 10 millimeters in each centimeter. So from 0 to 1, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, you know. So I just went to 200 or whatever I had to do, 220 something, and then I added the rest, whatever the number, 258. Anyway, you know, you can do the math. It's not really that much math. You just lay it down and make sure you make your marks and cut it right on there. And it came out perfectly. So big difference from the last time. So I love this. So if you guys are getting these, you know, enjoy them. If not, you know, whenever you do order some, like I said, I think a decent price for these things is like between $6 and $8. $6 is like an amazing price. $8 is decent, even on the Crafts Companion website. So for this one, yeah, they're $11 each with tax and everything and shipping. But it's cute, and I haven't seen them on their website yet because supposedly whenever you do the auto ships, you get them first or exclusively. So it's either the other ones are going to come out for a while on their website, on the Crafts Companion website, or it never will because supposedly it's exclusive. So anyway, thanks for watching. I really do. I'm a fan of this one. So good. All right, I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.